Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, teaching instructor. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've worked thousands of cases. I work large debt cases at IRS. I'm an expert in this. So one of the reasons you want to listen to me, I can tell you like inside things nobody can. I'm kind of an expert in that. If you owe thousands of dollars to IRS, what is your strategy? You have to have a strategy on repayment to them. And there's three strategies. First of all, you have to give IRS a financial statement, a 433F or A, depending who has the case. You can download those forms to see what they look like. The 433F, your case is at the service center. They've sent you a letter. If a revenue officer has the case, which I was, it's a more detailed 433A. They're going to dive down on this. What IRS simply wants, how are you going to pay the debt back? That's what IRS is in fact looking for. How are you going to pay the debt back? That financial statement that you give them will be the exit strategy IRS is going to use to close the case. All they're trying to do, yes, is close the case off of your system. Get off the system. How they're going to close it? By either currently non-collectible, that is your financial statement showed you had no ability to pay the tax. You have a payment agreement. Your financial statement, your 433 FRA showed you could pay money, or an offer and compromise to settle the debt. Before you want to settle the debt, I wrote a book about IRS settlements. So I'm just letting you know, if you owe thousands of dollars to IRS, you've got to have an exit. When IRS sends you a CP 504 letter certified, you better start to take action. When IRS sends you an LT11, after that they're going to send out wage garnishments, bank levies, liens, and possible passport revocations. That's so if you owe thousands, you must have a strategy, because IRS is going to come knocking. Call me if you need me. That's good information. Make sure your tax returns are filed, okay? Thank you much. Give me a subscription. I really appreciate it. I am the IRS Insider. Blessings.